Got the Air Force on the right. Geiger Key. Oh, look at those birds. Look at these birds here. Oh, they're all moving away from me. Turn it. Wildlife here is so amazing. Just all birds. I don't know why too. It's always like the birds here at the water's edge too. I don't know if there's something special about it. Maybe there's tons of little bait fish in there. I'm not sure. Beautiful here though for them. It's all really shallow. You know, I go out here, I fish sometimes just walking. You know, like that's like a foot deep. The greenway out there is maybe 2 feet deep, so it's not like a beach where you just go, you know, deep. Not at all. But the cool thing is, oh, and there's tons of sponge here too. But like this goes for miles and there's nobody here. You know, I think there's a private, not a private, but I think there's a nude beach at the end, to be honest with you. But I've never been down there, of course. But I'm sure it's nothing like Hollywood, you know what I mean? I'm sure it's a bunch of really old people, way overweight, you know what I mean? Oh, there they go. Boy, if I had zoom. Even without zoom, pretty amazing. It's just beautiful. If you're a birder and you're not living in the Keys, you're silly. Look at the colors today, kind of like a browns, yellows. Very interesting. Someone's doing some like metal detecting, and I don't know what this gentleman's doing. Almost looks like he has a little spot. Maybe he's doing some sort of crabs or something. Something I've never seen. Look at all the turtle grass though. All this brown is all turtle grass. No thank you. Kind of smells because of that, but you know, the turtle grass when it's floating is like really all of the key, and even the grass from underneath is everything about the Keys. Everything starts there, and then the floating on the water, even it just creates tons of, you know, shade and life for small fish and jellyfish and birds. And then I see like a bunch of birds eating through the turtle grass right now. So look at that pretty thing. Woo. They're just getting away from me. The other ones are like, what are you doing? Oh, he's metal detecting too. So there's a couple metal detecting. He must have found something. You can see, you can park here. I don't think cops ever come back here. Once in a blue moon, maybe more at evening, you know, because don't really want people camping here all night, you know, which people I think still do. In the old days, totally. This was like a lot of these end of these roads like this that were beaches, total campsites, free, you know. Boy, the Keys in the 80s must have just been ridiculously amazing. You can't see it. It's just covered by the turtle grass right now. So normally when this isn't here, this is, a lot of times it is here, because again you get all the wind from the east. Southeast is right here 80% of the time. Then you get some from the northeast. That's when this side's okay. You can still step over it, of course, and wait out there, but even most all that's still grass. Just that little white area there is sandy beach where you can kick your shoes off and enjoy yourself. Cool. Last time I came down here, the time warp was on my stupid phone, or my GoPro. Stand on my truck. I should go get my selfie stick, but stand on my truck to show you the airport. I can't see it too good, but up there, maybe way back here you can. I swear, like a year or two ago, 2020, somebody flew in, president or somebody. Look at the wind. I still don't slow down enough. The keys remind you to just slow down, relax. We just have some crazy times right now. I have to remind myself, slow down, who cares? Cool, I want to get back here without the time warp on. There's the end. So there's a big long path you can go right along the Air Force. 8 a.m. you'll have 2 jets come up, 9 a.m. 2 more jets. Never seen this open.